attractive, the star of the evening is Madhuri Dixit ji.
It's a great initiative taken by Brand Empower to honor ने अपना best किया है. All of them have worked very hard and these people are really overseas से भी बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ आए हैं जो best है उनके fields.
Everybody make some noise for Madhuri Dixit! Can we please hear from Madhuri Dixit? Ma'am, can I please have you on stage?
The second time I'm coming here to honor all these inspiring people who are sitting here in front of us today, who work so hard.
Most trusted hair transplant surgeon in Maharashtra, Mr. Sonamne.
I have Dr. Sonamne here with me from Bloom Hair Transplant. So doctor, tell us something about Bloom.
Okay, I'm Dr. Vinod Sonamne. I'm MD Hair Transplant Surgeon and I have been practicing since more than 14 years. I have done more than 5,000 hair transplant procedures till date. I'm the only doctor who has taken more than 20 trainings from all over the world, including UK and Turkey. And apart from the robotic hair transplant, we are doing eyebrow transplant, moustache transplant and beard transplant also. I am the director of Bloom Hair Transplant and it is located in Ghatkopar, Mumbai.
So Global Excellence Awards, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
I am feeling honored to have received this award and especially from my favorite actress Madhuri Dixit.